lo muntu. Yo, ayini bantu. Yo, lele shape ngathi embarrassed le.
Vertellen uns das Wort eine ishashaya ukuthi disappoint abantu bathi how come on man credo v kwenzakala mingahle kahle ngawo why you keep accepting ama bookings alive yazi nganizokwethu even live performance even artist elikwaziyo ukucula elingaculi nange AI live akuyona into yokudlala. Let's be honest, nalandela kakhulu uMaskandi. I can say like wonke amajani ngiyalandela, but recently I'll say like from 2021 really be like benjilalela uMaskandi, but wonke amajani ngiyawalalela R&B don but izinganza kwethu ulive akuyona into yokudlala live performance even kubantu abanelizwi abacula abangaculi nge-AI live is no child's play. Why lo mjita mfethu eqhubeka mfethu? Yes, akahamba kwenza imiming mfethu. Ngemiming asho ke lapha na sedilata kungezwakala kushingo. But uma eseha ku live abantu abaningi bathi man come on. Ungasiphindi futhi credo man. Come on man. Ungasiphindi. Zinganza kwethu. Why lo muntu lona ezama ukuthi akayona i-AI? Why he trying so much ukuthi akayona vele kwi-AI ufika ucule ebese yangimodify ikuphorishe kahle ilizwi lakho nokabe ubhimbili izokucorrect. So you can't say you are a singer because uculile lapha. No, uculile vele but correct yona. Yabo, don't say ukuthi I only use it. No man, come on man. Lento ezowale ukuthi totally AI and umuntu masesecula naye ngoba and there is absolutely nothing wrong baningi abantu abayenza i-AI. Yabo, there is absolutely nothing wrong. In fact, like it seems like when we tata to the next level ukuthi okay ungakwazi ukuperform nge-AI then do miming then. Stop embarrassing yourself. Do miming then. Stay away from our live performances. No talk we hope it. No talk we feel so good one day you perform live. Get out of here, man. Learn to learn ngisho abaculi abadumile abacula ngelizwi labo mase kuthiwa live behlulene. Get out of here, man, Credo.